In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery of your Meta Quest 3 controller. So in case you run out of juice and you want to replace it, it's very easy. So let's get started. On the left side controller, you're going to find on the left side here a small button. I don't know if you see, it's a triangle. You just need to press on it and this will release this cap over here that is hiding the battery. All you have to do now is to remove the battery. You can use your nails, although you see I don't have any nails really, but I'm still able to pull it out like this. By the way, the Quest 3 takes AA batteries, one on each controller, and they even show you over here how to place it. So take, let's say, your new battery, put it like this and just push it. Take the lid and simply glide it until it clicks in place, like this. And you're done. On the right side controller, you're gonna have the button on the right side here, the small triangular. Again, tap on it. Remove the battery, take a new battery. I think it's easier if you put the negative side of the battery first and then push like this with your thumb and put the cap back on like this. So this is it. This was very easy. By the way, I'll put links in the description if you want to get batteries from Amazon for your Quest 3 controllers. And yeah, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.